Hi, I'm Matt Jackson with the Next Level Carpentry Workshop Short. No matter how careful I am controlling dust in the shop, static electricity makes the finest dust collect on plastic lenses of safety glasses, face shields, and click readers. Viewers know I'm no poster boy for dust control, so that means I have to stop and wipe dust off lenses so that I can see clearly and work safely. I don't like to stop any more than necessary, and that's why I quit using a cloth dampened with water and switched to dryer sheets to be dust-free and proud. A quick wipe with a dryer sheet reduces static cling somehow, so I don't have to stop work and wipe dust off nearly as often. You can reuse these sheets many times over, so a small box like this lasts for years. I tried to compare lenses wiped with water to lenses wiped with dryer sheets, but couldn't get the difference to show up in the video, so I guess you'll just have to take my word for it that this really does make a difference. I doubt if there's any real difference in performance from one brand to the other, but I choose these all dryer sheets because of the size of the box and the fact that they're unscented and seem to be a great size to use for dusting off these lenses. Do me a favor, and if you find this video helpful, dust off that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to Next Level Carpentry already. I'm short on time, but not on tips, so it's time to go. And, as always, until next time, thanks for watching. I can see clearly now.